Hello everyone, this is Dr. Acharya from Age Dental PG. We welcome all the PG aspirants to this very small session. It is very much understood that to crack any entrance exam, it is very important that we must understand how is the basic about the exam, who is the conducting body, and what all the institutes that is coming under the exam. So this small session is to give you the insight about recently announced exam by AIMS, that is called as INI CET. So INI CET is Institute of National Importance Combined Test Entrance Test, that is INI CET. It is for all the PG courses which includes MD, MS, DM, MCH and MDS. The first exam for this is for January 2021 session. INI CET is a combined entrance test, that is CET, for admission into the postgraduate courses of MD, MS, DM, MCH and MDS at Institute of National Importance INI for medical education, namely AIMS New Delhi and all AIMS JIPMER Pondicherry, PGI MER Chandigarh, NIMHANS Bengaluru. The INI CET will be conducted twice a year, usually in the month of May for admission for July session, and in the same year and month of November for the admission starting January next year. INI CET will be administered by AIMS New Delhi, and it shall be sole authority for conduct of examination, declaration of result and seat allocation, which is most important. The INI CET will be administered in an online mode and almost paperless using its dedicated portal. So exam is going to be online. For January 2021 session, INI CET will be held in the month of November 2020. On the basis of performance of the candidate in the examination, a score will be declared for all categories of students and published on the website as an INI CET score. The admission into the INI CET will be based on the INI CET score as per the merit and eligibility. INI CET January 2021. The INI CET for admission into the January 2021 session for all postgraduate courses, that is MD, MS, DM, MCH and MDS at Institute of National Importance for Medical Education, namely AIMS Delhi and New AIMS JIPMER Pondicherry, PGI MER Chandigarh, NIMHANS Bengaluru, will be held in the month of November 2020. Participating institutes for INI CET January 2021 session are AIMS New Delhi, AIMS Bhopal, AIMS Bhubaneswar, AIMS Jodhpur, AIMS Nagpur, AIMS Patna, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bengaluru and PGMER Chandigarh. This small video is just to give all the participant candidates about a basic information about INI CET. It is our best wishes that all the candidates should prepare at their best and should get the best marks possible. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channels. We will be updating all our subscribers at best of our knowledge. Please check and be in touch with Age Dental PG for all recent updates. Thank you very much.